Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files from any Android smartphone to your Xiaomi 12T series of smartphones. And to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store on both of the devices. Here, find the app called Send Anywhere. It's already open on this phone right here. And now we can install it on both of the devices. When it's ready, click on Open, agree to everything and accept all of the permissions. Now right here on the phone that will be receiving files, click on Receive tab, and here make sure that you're in the Send tab. Now select each of the file that you want to send. There's recent files that were opened or created on this phone. There's also photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts and files. And that basically means you can send any file that you want. So right here, I'm just gonna pick these 3 screenshots. So hold your finger on each of the screenshot. When you're ready and selected everything, click on the Send. You should see the code right here, and you need to input it in the receive pool in the input key. Also, you can use the QR code and share a link. I'm gonna go with a code. And make sure that you're using Wi-Fi, as it drains a lot of mobile data on your phone. Click on Receive. And when it's ready, click on it, and here's all of the screenshots that we've sent. And as I mentioned, you can also do it with any files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.